Morning. Do we have a draft copy so it can be flashed on screen? Well, basically, may I read? May I just read the copy of the title, Madam Chair? No, an ordinance prohibiting the marking or installation of identifiers such as names, initials, aliases, insignias, logos, images of incumbent government officials on infrastructure, programs, or projects funded by government appropriation. Basically po, ang ipagbabawal lamang po ng ordinansang ito ay ang paglalagay po natin, paggamit po natin, pagtatatak po natin ng ating mga pangalan sa lahat po ng mga programa at proyekto na atin pong gagawin na gamit po ang pondo ng pamahalaan. To summarize, Madam Chair, may I read the prohibited acts? Under Section 4, the following shall constitute a violation of this ordinance: naming after or marking with the initials, alias, insignia, logo, or image of an incumbent elected local government official on government projects or programs funded by public funds, affixing or causing to be affixed the name, initials, alias, insignia, logo, or image of any incumbent local government official to a signage announcing a proposed, ongoing, or existing public works project funded through government appropriation. Letter C, installing or causing to be installed signages or signage announcing the maintenance, rehabilitation, and or construction of public works, crediting any incumbent local elected government official or bearing his or her name, initials, alias, insignia, logo, or image for the maintenance, rehabilitation, and construction of such public works funded by public funds. Letter D, attaching any stickers that contains the names, initials, aliases, insignias, logos, or image to property owned or even items given away by the city government and barangays that were bought using public funds, including but not limited to vehicles, relief goods, supplies, equipment, and the like. And letter E, putting the image or picture of local officials in business license plates and permits. Handa na po yung lingkod kung meron pong nais magtanong o maglinaw sa nasabi panukalang ordinansa, Madam Chair.
Tayo po ay dadako sa period of discussion. Meron po bang nais magtanong o maglinaw? Two minutes recess.